Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we are gonna go out and do some hooning in the E36s. Now, Matt has his E36 and I have my white one. This is his red one. You've seen this on the channel before, and that is my white one out there. It is currently warming up a little bit. Ooh, that is a good shot. Look at that, that's a good angle. And we're gonna take these things out. We know a few spots out here. We can do some street drifting, kind of hooning around a little bit. It's a little cold, a little windy, so hopefully the shots come out good for you guys, and hopefully we can get a lot of running in before it gets too dark. If you want to see the playlist of how to make your E36 kind of a drift car, welding the diff and all this stuff, I do have a playlist. I'll put it right here. You can check it out if you want to. All right, we just got to the spot out here. It just rained, so there's some puddles, and it's kind of dirt, kind of gravelly in some spots because they're doing some construction, but we're gonna try to make the most of it. I ran this line the other day and it looked really sick, so hopefully I can do it again. It's a little bit precarious, but Matt's gonna help me film here. I'm gonna give it a go, and then he's gonna go on his. All right, so I just did a few runs. We were trying to get that sick thumbnail. Hopefully that turned out well. And Matt's gonna give it a run in his. Dude, check out this view out here. Man, that looks sick. Maybe we should get some shots of the E36s. That puddle is deep though. Hoping it doesn't break anything, but all right, Matt's gonna give it a go. He's pretty new to drifting, so hopefully this dirt doesn't kind of screw him over. But that looks sick. So cold today. Yesterday it was like 70 degrees. Now it's like 37. That is Oklahoma for you. Woo! Dude, that thing is so deep. Oh. Oh, boys. That was sick. Oh! He's getting it. That car is stock angle, just has a welded diff and has a few coilovers on it. I think he only has the front on right now, so the rear's kind of loose on him. No hydro or nothing, so I was definitely using my hydro to connect that whole thing, and obviously the angle.
That's awesome, dude. It's like a perfect figure eight.
That actually is sick.
I'm impressed.
All right, thanks for recording. Your turn. Oh, she's doing good. That was sick. That was one of the cleaner figure eights I've ever done. and it's on a 2-lane road, so Matt's clutch is actually slipping. So last time we tried this, it was just slipping the clutch, which is not good. So if that starts happening, I'm gonna yell at him to shut it off. That was sick! That looked good! That was dope, dude. I like that.
Cool.
Yeah, he got a little tire in the dirt right there.
It looked kind of cool too.
Yeah, a little tire in the dirt. All right, good deal. We're going back out. We recruited Jordan his 240. It's currently dark, but hopefully we can still get some good shots. I need to raise the 240. Get the beamer back out. You got it!
For a second, I thought I was smelling gas. Hopefully it's not gas. Right here, right here. Oh my God. It's everywhere, dude.
That has to be coolant, right?
That's gas, my friend.
That's gas?
I think Matt was dumping gas or something out of somewhere.
Yeah, look at the side of his car.
Oh, he has a bunch of gas on it. You can see it. Yeah, you can see it on camera pretty well. That's funny. All right, Jordan, go get him. Who is that?
No.
He was getting it. He's getting it up there.
Oh, it didn't fall over.
He didn't hit it. He just grabbed a little e-brake. We've switched cars and we've switched surfaces. I'm in my red E36 now. We are on the gravel and hoping it goes well. It's a little wet out. I'm not sure if you can see me right now, but we're gonna try to do a little bit of sketchy gravel tandeming. So we've never really done a whole lot of gravel tandeming. We've done plenty of gravel drifting, but all right, let's get it.
You were getting saucy with it though.
Oh, this is sick. Oh,
Come on, Jordan.
oh, Matt spun. Matt spun. Don't look at me. These are the boys who let's give them a little show. That was good. Good job. Hey, don't get
Oh snap. Oh Lord.
Well, what is that? These boys are fireworks.
Oh, shoot my car.
Oh, that is another steer session. Get out of here, Honda. that right there is why I love E36s. I think it's sweet. Dude, it just rained. Oh, it looks better on camera, but these things are filthy. Alrighty, well, we had a fun day of driving in the E36s. I'm glad we didn't get any trouble by the cops or anything. We were kind of pushing our luck there in the end. Nothing broke, super thankful. Had a lot of fun with the boys. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and comment down below. It helps more people find the video. And make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I'm gonna wrap it up here, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in this one. Catch you guys in the next one.